Ever stood at the crossroads of adventure, torn between the thrill of crafting your own travel itinerary and the convenience of a travel agency doing it for you? It's a puzzling dilemma. Well, today we're discussing the advantages and disadvantages of using a travel agency for your vacation planning. Travel agencies offer undeniable ease. Imagine this: no need to spend countless hours searching the web for the finest deals, no stressing over what sites to include in your journey. Agencies can provide a hassle-free planning experience. They have access to insider information about offbeat destinations. Their guidance can help you traverse unexplored paths and make the most out of your travels. A travel agency saves you time, and their expertise can offer insider knowledge for off-the-beaten-path destinations. And then there are the exclusive deals and discounts. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about these deals and discounts? Let me paint a clearer picture for you. Imagine this scenario. You're planning a trip, and you're looking online for the best prices. You're comparing flights, hotels, and vacation packages, but the prices are still too steep. That's where travel agencies come into play. These agencies are like gatekeepers to a secret treasure trove of price cuts, markdowns, and discounts. They are the first to know about upcoming sales, and they have access to exclusive discounts that aren't advertised to the general public. This is because they have strong, long-standing relationships with airlines, hotels, and other travel-related companies. They can secure prices that are significantly lower than those you'd find on your own. These discounts can take many forms. They can be a certain percentage off, a fixed amount off, or a deal where if you book a certain number of nights, you get one free. They can also include additional perks like complimentary upgrades or free transfers. These exclusive deals and discounts are not just about saving money. They can make your travel experience more enjoyable. You might be able to afford a better hotel, fly at more convenient times, or even extend your trip because of the savings you've made. Travel agencies often have the inside scoop on the best deals and can secure exclusive discounts that aren't available to the general public. But it's not just about the deals, it's about the personal touch. Travel agencies have the means, the experience, and the resources to design and create highly personalized travel itineraries that are exclusively meant to cater to your unique interests, preferences, and expectations. A good travel agency does not just arrange journey and accommodations, but they also ensure that every aspect of your trip is hand-picked, carefully thought out, meticulously planned to resonate with your individual needs. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking the thrill of a bungee jump off a high cliff, or you're a wildlife enthusiast eager to embark on a safari adventure across African grasslands, or perhaps you're a history buff, longing to lose yourself amidst the ancient ruins of a forgotten civilization, travel agencies have the expertise to carefully tailor your trip to reflect your passions. They can arrange trips to destinations you've always dreamt of, guided tours to places you've only read about in books, or spontaneous exploration trips to discover the unknown. The beauty of using a travel agency is that they can adapt your journey to your personal of travel, whether it be indulging in luxury at a 5-star hotel, backpacking across serene landscapes, or experiencing the local cuisine in a bustling city. Their extensive knowledge of various destinations, along with their connections with local guides and service providers, ensures that you have a travel experience that is not only memorable but also an authentic representation of your passions and interests. In essence, the role of a travel agency goes much beyond just crafting a travel plan. They create a personalized journey, a journey that not only matches your passions, but also leaves you with lifelong memories, unique experiences, and a greater understanding of the world around you. It's also worth noting the exceptional benefits that accompany the use of a travel agency. Delving deeper, you might want to consider the kind of opulence that comes attached with these services. Imagine gliding into an upgraded suite, the kind that overlooks the mesmerizing city skyline or tranquil ocean waves. Picture yourself strolling into attractions with VIP access, bypassing the long queues of people waiting under the blazing sun or freezing winter winds. You would get to enjoy the best experiences, the highest comfort, without the stress of planning or waiting. These special amenities could range from personal concierge services to complimentary massages, not to forget personalized treats that could make your trip an unforgettable experience. You could also enjoy exclusive dining experiences at top-notch restaurants or get priority reservations for shows or events. You might even find yourself invited to private events or parties typically reserved for high-profile guests. This is all possible because travel agencies often have more formidable negotiation power with suppliers. Their established relationships and volume of business mean they can secure deals that aren't available to the general public. The ability to tap into this power can spell out the difference between an ordinary vacation and an extraordinary one. It's all about getting the best value for your money and creating unforgettable experiences. Travel agencies often have stronger negotiation power with suppliers, which can translate into some serious perks for you. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. Opting to use a travel agency, you might find yourself dealing with certain unforeseen financial aspects. These could additional costs and fees, undisclosed expenses, hidden charges, and even inflated prices. These extra expenditures could ultimately end up burdening your pocket, making your trip not as budget-friendly as you initially envisioned. Additionally, the convenience offered by tours is a double-edged sword. On the surface, it might seem like a seamless, hassle-free solution, yet these cookie-cutter itineraries might lack the customization options you yearn for. You may find these packages too rigid, lacking the freedom to explore at your own pace or deviate from set paths, a restriction that may not sit well with your adventurous. The issue of compatibility arises. The possibility that your individual preferences, your unique tastes, your personal whims and fancies might not align with the suggested itineraries is real. What you envision as the ideal vacation might greatly differ from what the travel agency proposes. There's also the possibility that your individual preferences might not align with the suggested itineraries. On the other hand, planning your very own trip offers an unparalleled sense of freedom and flexibility, providing the golden chance to do exactly what you want, when you want, and how you want. The concept of tailoring your own journey, shaping it according to your own whims and fancies, is an aspect that can't be found in a pre-packaged, one-size-fits-all tour. There's a unique and deeply personal satisfaction, an exhilarating thrill that comes with crafting your own vacation itinerary. Imagine sitting down, with a world map spread out in front of you, picking out places that speak to you, choosing destinations that have been on your bucket list for ages. You have the liberty to select accommodations that suit your budget and taste. You can choose to spend more time at a location that fascinates you or quickly move past those that don't. You can decide to visit places off the beaten track, discover hidden gems that aren't of a typical tourist trail. Moreover, with the extraordinary abundance of online resources available today, planning an independent trip is no longer a daunting task. There are various blogs, travel forums, and guidebooks that offer practical advice and detailed information. Websites that offer flight and hotel bookings, apps that provide navigation and translation services, and social media platforms that offer real-time reviews and recommendations have made planning and executing your own trip much easier and more accessible than ever. But let's not forget about safety and reliability. These two crucial aspects form the backbone of any travel experience. When we talk about safety, we aren't merely referring to physical safety, though that is certainly a paramount concern, especially when traversing unfamiliar terrains or exploring new cities. Safety here extends to the assurance that your travel plans will remain secure and undisturbed, even in the face of unforeseen circumstances. Reliability, on the other hand, holds a slightly different connotation. Here, we're talking about the consistent, dependable service that a good travel agency should always provide. This includes everything from making accurate reservations to ensuring the timely delivery of services. A reliable travel agency can be trusted to follow through on their commitments and deliver the promised experience without fail. Travel agencies are more than just booking platforms. They are safety nets that ensure your travel experience is as smooth and hassle-free as possible. They have trained professionals equipped to handle a wide range of emergencies, whether it's a sudden change in schedule, a lost passport, or even a medical crisis. They understand the intricacies of travel planning and have the resources to address unexpected challenges swiftly and effectively. Their goal is not just to provide you with a trip, but to offer you peace of mind. Knowing that there is a professional team ready to jump in and help at any moment can make all the difference in your travel experience. They provide the assurance that no matter what happens, you're covered. This is why it's important to remember that travel agencies provide a safety net in case of emergencies and can handle unexpected challenges with ease. In conclusion, the choice between using a travel agency or organizing independently is determined by your personal travel style. If convenience, expert advice, and special benefits matter most to you, consider a travel agency. However, if you're after autonomy, flexibility, and the joy of crafting your adventure, independent travel may be perfect. This concludes our examination of the advantages and drawbacks of employing a travel agency. Have you got personal experiences to share? Maybe some ideas for future travel-related subjects? We'd love to hear from you, so make sure to leave a comment below. You found this discussion useful? Don't hesitate to subscribe for more travel advice and conversations. Safe travels, adventurers!